Okay, today testing some new hand loads. They're a subsonic load using 208 grain Hornady AMAX with 11 grains of Trail Boss powder. Should be a subsonic load. We've got the chronograph down here and we'll see what we can do. First I'm going to shoot an unsuppressed to see if it's actually stable so I don't wind up with a baffle strike. That one looks stable. That one looks a little bit closer to 3. Velocity is about 10-11 on that last shot, so it's about right where I'm looking for in range. Let's attach the suppressor now and see what happens. Right. Okay, these next couple shots we're going to fire at steel, and you can see our steel silhouette down here at 100 yards. Okay, we'll see how we do at 100 yards. Okay, just for some contrast now, I'm going to fire an actual full supersonic load. It's 175 grains Sierra Match King, over 43 grains of Varget, and we'll see what we get. I'm happy with that. There's 6 shots at fired at 100 yards, and you can see the subsonic rounds. They strike pretty low, and as I started messing around with holdover, I was able to eventually make my adjustments so I was hitting in the center of the silhouette on the steel target. But I'll take that group any day.